Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your iPhone for Call of Duty Mobile. First, ensure your iPhone is running iOS 13 or a newer operating system. This is crucial for proper controller compatibility. Next, make sure your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller is fully charged. Finally, confirm that your Call of Duty mobile application is updated to its most recent version to access all features and optimizations. Now, let's pair your controller. On your iPhone, navigate to the Settings app and tap on Bluetooth to turn it on. Then, grab your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller. Simultaneously press and hold both the Share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. This indicates it is in pairing mode. Finally, select DualShock 4 Wireless Controller from the list of available devices on your iPhone. With your controller successfully paired, launch Call of Duty Mobile. Once in the game, tap the gear icon to open the Settings menu. Look for the Controller tab, usually found near the bottom. Here, you can customize your button layout to your liking, adjusting actions like aiming, shooting, and reloading. You can also fine-tune sensitivity settings for a more precise and comfortable gaming experience. To further enhance your Call of Duty mobile experience, consider using a phone clip. This accessory securely attaches your iPhone to the PlayStation 4 controller, creating a more integrated handheld setup. Also, take time to experiment with various controller sensitivity settings within the game. Finding your sweet spot can significantly improve your aiming accuracy. Lastly, always ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection for uninterrupted, lag-free gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.